Hello friends, today we'll learn inventory systems for how to record stock details with its location and categories. Inventory accounting includes recording of stock details like the purchase of stock, the sales of stock, stock movement between storage locations or godowns, and providing information on stock availability. It is possible to integrate the inventory and accounting system so that the financial statement reflects the closing stock value for the inventory system. In a newly created company, the inventory info menu comprises of four types of masters, that is stock group, stock items, unit of measure, and voucher types. And two more menus are also available, that is go down and stock category creation. For that, press F11, inventory features, maintain multiple go downs and maintain stock category to S. Go to the gateway of tally, inventory info, for creation of stock group, stock categories, stock items, unit of measure, go down or location, and voucher types creation. So let's understand it's one by one. So first is stock group. Stock groups are provided to help in the classification of stock items. Grouping stock items makes it easy to identify and report them in the statements. How to create stock group? Create the stock group like television under the primary. Go to the gateway of tally, in that inventory info, stock group, then create under the single stock group and press Y or enter the accept the screen. Then create go down or location. A place where stock items are stored is referred to as go downs. You can specify where the stock items are kept. For example, a warehouse, shelf or a rack, etc. and obtain stock reports for each godowns and account for the movement of stock between location and godowns. To set yes to maintain multiple godown, for pressing F11 key in that F2 inventory features. For godown creation, you have to enable this option. So how to create godown? Go to gateway of tally, inventory info again, in that godown or location, then create and enter the godown name like Bangalore under the primary and accept it. Next is a stock category creation. So stock category, this is a feature which offers a parallel classification of stock items. Like stock group, stock categories are also classified based on some similar behavior. The advantage of using categorizing stock items together based on functionality across different stock group, this enables you to obtain reports for alternative or substitute stock item. For stock category, set yes to maintain stock category under the inventory features. For how to create stock category, same procedure, gateway of tally, inventory info, stock category, create, like 21 inches TV. Then units of measure, stock items are mainly purchased and sold on the basis of quantity. The quantity is measured by units. In such case, it is necessary to create the unit of measure. Unit of measure can be either be simple or compound. For example, simple units are numbers, meters, kilograms, pieces, etc. And compound units are boxes of 10 pieces or 1000 milliliters of 1 liter. Then create a unit of measure, gateway of tally, inventory info, unit measure, create. In that window, the type is simple or compound unit which you want. Select it, for example, simple unit. Type the symbol, that is abbreviation of the unit, that is PCS or QTY for quantity or pieces. Formal name pieces. Number of decimal places can be expressed as fractions. For example, 3.15 kg refers to 3 kilograms and 150 grams. For expressing numbers without decimal place, specify 0 in this option. And last is a stock item or goods that you manufacture or trade, sell and purchases. It is the primary inventory entity. The stock item in the inventory transactions are similar to ledger being used in accounting transaction. To creating stock item, go to gateway of tally, inventory info again, in that stock item and create it. First, enter the name of the stock item, any name, under the group, stock group, which you specify. Then select the category, enter the unit of measure of the stock item being created. Then enter the rate of duty charged on item and put the opening balance of stock item, refer to the stock available with us. Godowns that have already been created must have the opening balance quantity and the location specified. You also enter the opening balances of different locations. Thank you.